money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not ready. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat.
Hi pretty, I know you clicked on the video because of this hair, child. So if you like what you see, stay tuned on the next clip for more details on this hair. So we're gonna be talking about this lovely hair from Beauty Forever Hair. This is not a sponsored video, let me just say that. This is with my own coins, and a good thing about this hair is I have had it for a good 3 years. Yeah, I've had it for 3 years. I only wore it once and I made it glueless, and I'm gonna show you a before on how the lace is looking. Like it's very thick. So now it's given scalp, but it was not given scalp before, let me just say that. So the hair I have in here right now is Beauty Forever Hair's the Jerry Curl. So I'm not sure if the link is the same like the one in my email, but I will find it and link it down below. Like I said, it is not a sponsored video, but this is a Jerry Curly 13x6 transparent lace, and it's supposed to be pre-plugged now. So as you can see in the video, the video before the scalp happened, you can see that the hair was very dense. Like, I mean, the hairline, nothing. I haven't touched it. Well, I didn't touch it in the video that you guys saw or are seeing or viewing. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this video, but yeah, it was given not it. And I believe it will be like my go-to middle part, and just, you know, that one swoop baby hair in the front. That's how I was wearing it. If I could find like a video, like I would show you guys. Scalp. But overall, the curls is beautiful. That's why I fell in love with this hair. It's really beautiful. Sorry if I keep looking at myself. I'm just trying to see if I'm in the middle of the frame. I think I am, but yeah, this is the hair. I am going to show you guys like a good zoom in to see how it really looks in real life. I wish I would have done a middle part. I mean, I can do a middle part any day, but for now we'll just rock with the side part. My last install was a middle part, so I'm trying out the side part. Let's see. Miss Q, I know you clicked on this video because it's giving scalp, and I'll make a whole nother video on how to make it look. All you need is some foundation and you're good to go. But this is how it looks. See the front, the side here. The sides bleached well, but here here it did not understand the assignment. And excuse my skin, but I'm just trying to let you guys see how it's really looking. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. So I was telling my friends, like, it's giving scalp from afar, but just don't come close, okay? Just don't come close, because I don't know what it's giving. But how it took the bleach, it was my fault. I saw that the knots were very thick. The knots was big, mind you. Like I said, I've had this hair for over 2 years. So, and I only wore it once. So I saw like the knots was very thick, and I should have done the developer method. So what you do is just put developer on your hair for like 10-15 minutes, wash it out, and then bleach your hair normal, and that will give it the scalp effect no matter how thick or small the knots are. But I didn't do that. I didn't have time. So bleaching, it did not take the bleaching well, but of course you can finesse your way around it. You can only see, like you see here, like the dot. Like, not everywhere dyed well, but like I said, the sides definitely dyed well. The sides is given very much scalp. It's just here. It's just this front part here where I feel like the front part is the most important one, but it's not doing it. But I'm pretty sure that now if you go and purchase it, that you wouldn't have that problem, because like I said, the link is now showing that it's pre-plucked, and we are in 2022. I got this hair like 2019, to be honest. So let's see. I was look at the reviews, so you guys are not, you know, blindsided by anything. Let's see here. Okay, so everybody loves it. It has over 20 real reviews, and it is all 5 stars, and they've sold over 1,000. So yeah, the hair is really beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie. It was just very dense. Like, the hairline was very, very dense, and you're probably not gonna get the same thing that I did, because back then, 2-3 years ago, it was not, you know, the scalp was not in yet. And now if you're saying it's pre-plucked, I'll believe them that it's pre-plucked, meaning the hairline will be thinner than how mine came. Because baby, when I put it on, I was like, I mean, back then I was like, oh yes, you know, I didn't want to pluck it because girl, I spent money on it, and I didn't want to like bleach it or anything like that. But I'm glad it's bleached now and finessed now, and now it's giving scalp, and I can rock it for a good 3 weeks. Yeah, and if you want me to make like a maintenance video, I can show you guys how I can literally keep my hair just like this for the 3 weeks. Like, the baby hair would not move. Well, the only thing I'll have to like redo is the baby hairs, of course, but the actual hair would not move or not slide back. I did that for my straight hair, which I would review that next. But yeah, shedding wise, the hair sheds, baby. The hair sheds, okay? I'm gonna tell you that now. Yes, curly hair sheds, blah blah blah. Yeah, we know that. But baby, this hair sheds. Like, me just running water through it to make it, you know, look upbeat. Hair everywhere. I mean, my press-ons don't came off. It's over there gliding and catching on to it. But the curls is really, really beautiful. I am gonna make another video on how I make that the ends, you know, curly and, you know, coily, beautiful coils. So I'll make a whole video about that. But now, for now, yeah, just gonna get what I slept in my bonnet. Literally, I just put my bonnet on and took it out, run my fingers through it like so, and came to do this video because yeah, I like my TikTok. So if you're here from my TikTok, hi girl. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up, okay? If you have any questions for me, anything that I missed in this video, let me know and I will comment down below. Let me see, what else am I missing? So right now I have in the ball cap method. So I have a ball cap, so it's not really just put on, it's literally glued down, and it's not coming off anytime soon, I can tell you that much. Let's see, what else? Oh, I told you guys it was the 24 inches, so it is long. I am gonna stand up so you guys can see how long it is. This is the hair, okay? So it's really full, and I'm like, for 150, I think I got 180 if I'm not mistaken, but it's saying it's 150, but it's really giving 180, y'all. You see that? And I like how it's all uniform, like it's straight, like the back is literally straight, and I love that. So that is it. Let's see, I don't think I missed anything, but that is it for this video. You guys asked, here you guys are. I hope it helped. Get this hair. I wouldn't wear this for summertime because I be sweating, okay? I be sweating, but I love this for me. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification for my next video, which will be me defining the curls and actually curling the ends so it looks up. So I will see you in my next one. So this is future me editing my video, and I'm looking how shy I am on camera while doing that review. Ooh, yeah, please bear with me. My personality will come through eventually, but cooperate with your girl, okay? Because this is my first hair review on my channel, and yeah, wish me luck. Thank you.